Chapter 1. I love my India. Location and size of India. India is the seventh largest country in the world, covering an area of about 3.28 million square kilometers. It is located in the southern part of Asia. India lies in the northern hemisphere and the eastern hemisphere. It has a population of over 1.4 billion, making it the most populated country on earth. India stretches from the snow-covered Himalayas in the north to the southern tip at Kanyakumari, a length of about 3,200 kilometers. From the green hills of Arunachal Pradesh in the east, India stretches a length of about 2,900 kilometers. To the dry run of Kutch in the west, India is surrounded by water on three sides. The Arabian Sea lies to the west. The Bay of Bengal is to the east. The Indian Ocean is to the south. India's neighbors. India has two island neighbors, Maldives and Sri Lanka, and it shares land borders with 7 countries: Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, Bangladesh. India, along with its neighboring countries, forms a region known as the Indian subcontinent. It is called a subcontinent because it is a very large landmass, smaller than a continent but bigger and more independent than a country. The Indian subcontinent is separated from the rest of Asia by natural features such as the Himalayan mountains in the north and the seas to the south. This separation has given it a unique geography, climate, culture, and history, different from the rest of Asia. Political divisions of India. To make governing easier and more organized, India is divided into 28 states and 8 union territories. Each state and union territory has its own capital city where the government offices are located. A state is a large area within a country that has its own government. Each state has its own chief minister and makes its own laws for the people living there, following the rules of the Constitution of India. A union territory is a smaller area that does not have a full state government. Union territories are directly governed by the central government of India. Although some union territories such as Delhi and Puducherry have their own small governments for local matters, the capital of the entire country is New Delhi, where the Parliament House, Supreme Court and other important national buildings are situated. State. Capital. Andhra Pradesh, Amravati, Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar, Assam, Dispur, Bihar, Patna, Chhattisgarh, Raipur, Goa, Panji, Gujarat, Gandhinagar, Haryana, Chandigarh, Himachal Pradesh, Shimla, Jharkhand, Ranchi, Karnataka, Bengaluru, Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram, Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal, Maharashtra, Mumbai, Manipur, Imphal, Meghalaya, Shillong, Mizoram, Aswal, Nagaland, Kohima, Odisha, Bhubaneswar, Punjab, Chandigarh. State. Capital. Rajasthan, Jaipur, Sikkim, Gangtok, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Telangana, Hyderabad, Tripura, Agartala, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, Uttarakhand, Dehradun, West Bengal, Kolkata. Union Territory. Capital. Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Sri Vijayapuram, Chandigarh, Chandigarh, Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman Diu, Daman, Jammu Kashmir, Srinagar, summer, and Jammu, winter. Ladakh, Leh, Lakshadweep, Kavaratti, Puducherry, Puducherry. National Capital Territory, NCT, New Delhi. Physical features of India. India is a land of great variety. It has snow-covered mountains, fertile plains, dry deserts, rocky plateaus, long coastlines and beautiful islands. These different types of natural landforms are called physical features. To study the different features in India's landscape, it is divided into 5 major physical regions: the northern mountains, the northern plains, the Thar Desert, the peninsular plateau, the coastal plains and islands. Climate of India. Different parts of India experience different types of climate. Climate means the usual weather conditions of a place over a long period of time. Some regions of India are cold, some are hot and dry, while others are warm and wet. In the Himalayan region, the climate is cold because of the tall mountains covered in snow. The Thar Desert in the northwest has a hot and dry climate, with very little rainfall. Along the coasts, such as the eastern and western coastal plains, the climate is warm and humid because they are near the sea. The southern plateau has a moderate climate, neither too hot nor too cold. The different climates affect the way people live, what crops they grow, and how they dress. Each region's climate shapes its lifestyle. Unity in diversity. India is a land of diversity. People here speak many different languages, follow various religions, and have different cultures and traditions. The clothes people wear, the food they eat, and the festivals they celebrate may differ from one state to another. Despite all these differences, the people of India live together as one nation. This is called unity in diversity. It means that though we are all different in many ways, we are united as Indians. We respect each other's customs and live in harmony. Words I know. Subcontinent, a very large landmass, smaller than a continent but bigger and more independent than a country. State, a large area within a country that has its own government. Union territory, a smaller area that does not have a full state government. Physical features, different types of natural landforms. Climate, the usual weather conditions of a place over a long period of time. To sum up, size of the country, about 3.28 million square kilometers. Continent, Asia. Location, South Asia Hemisphere. Water bodies, Indian Ocean, Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal. Neighbors, Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Sri Lanka, across sea, Maldives, across sea. Northern and southern tips. Indira Col, North, Indira Point, South. Capital, New Delhi. Number of states, 28 states. Number of union territories, 8 union territories. Physical divisions. The northern mountains, the northern plains, the Thar Desert, the peninsular plateau, the coastal plains and islands. Different parts of India experience different types of climate. India is a land of diversity.